Hello and welcome to our final project. This is called the restaurant reservation system. All right, I'm going to take you through the code a little bit. All right, so we've got a swagger.json file here, and we've got two controllers, which I'm going to demonstrate that they have these controllers are for controlling our routes, and they've got error handling in place. We've got try catch for each and every route there. All right, so these are the controllers. We've got the reservation controller, then the table controller, which has got also error handling implemented. All right, I don't have much time to go through every single one of them, open them up, but yeah, as you can see from the code that there is error handling implemented. I'm going to take you to my database here and show you that I've got four collections in there, and I've got reservations collection. Um, the last reservation here being Zoe Smith. All right, and it was recorded a few minutes ago. But anyways, I've got sessions, I've got tables, I've got users. All right, so I'm gonna mostly focus on reservations and tables right now. All right, let me take you to my code. But yeah, on my GitHub, you can see that there is no sensitive information there. There's no .env file that has been uploaded or node whatever. Anyways, this is the homepage. This is the landing page, and I want to demonstrate that before I log in, I am not able to access this dashboard. It's one of the login protected routes, and it will say authentication required to access this endpoint. Another one that I would say is login protected is tables create. It's for creating new tables, and you can see that I cannot access that table. I mean that route. I can also demonstrate the last one, which is reservations, and it would say the same thing there, that I cannot access this. To access this endpoint, I need to be authenticated. All right, I cannot access those until I am authenticated. I'm gonna go back to the home page and try to log in. All right, I'm gonna log in with Google. All right, I'm logged in, and it says, yeah, I'm logged in as Bratton Dube, and there you go. I can log out, and now I can access my dashboard. And if I can show you also that I can access create table. Actually, no, that's not important right now. I'm gonna open the API docs, and in the meantime, I'm gonna open the this. Okay, it's not opening up the API docs. Okay, there we go. All right, there's one I need the cookie right here. Just gonna copy it, and I'm gonna authorize my API docs, and now I'm authorized, and I can now perform actions in here that require authentication. All right, things like posting a new table, and I'm going to call this table 501, and it's got 25 packs. All right, it's the capacity is 25. All right, I'm going to execute, and you can see I get, oh, okay, I'm not allowed to put more than 20 people there, so I am going to just make it 15. All right, um, there you go, table created successfully, 501, and I'm going to go to the database and show you that the table is indeed created. I'm going to refresh this. As you can see, before I refresh, there's 203, the last one there, and I'm going to refresh. Hopefully it's not going to take forever. Okay, there we go. 501 created with a capacity of 15, and there's the table ID number. Let me just grab it while I'm here because I'm going to need it. All right, I can go back to my Swagger and close that. I'm going to access all tables that I've created, get all tables, and there they are, all the tables that I've created so far. All right, and I'm going to go into get a table by ID, try it out. There's the ID that I copied. Man, I'm going to have to copy another ID again because I just copied that one again instead of pasting in. Copy and then paste in there and execute, and I will be able to retrieve that data. All right, while I'm here, okay, that's one other video. Again, I can edit that table, put in there, and I make it, let me just say, I want to reduce the capacity to 10, and I want to put it inside, and then I will say execute, and there you go. Oh wait, what? Plan executor. duplicate key. Okay, all right. I cannot have two tables named 101. So yeah, I'm gonna call it 205 or 8. Okay, execute, and there you go. I have successfully updated the table. Is 208. It's got a capacity of 10, and then I can delete that table. Try it out. Paste, execute, and voila, table deleted successfully. We can go to the database here and ensure that it is indeed gone. Yes, I'm on 6 minutes and I still haven't covered the second. As you can see, the last table that I created is no longer there. All right, so I'm going to move on to reservations, but I'm going to need a table ID again. So I will go to get all tables, grab some ID there. I'm gonna need that to post to create a new table, a new reservation, right? So that's the table ID that I need to paste in there. So I'm gonna create a reservation on this table, and I'm gonna call it Smith, right? Party size 8, the max, I guess. Execute, and there's our table successfully created, right? And I'm gonna come in here and try to get all the tables. There you go. This is all the reservations that I have. Smith, the one that I just created, and another one I created earlier. Okay, and then okay, while I'm there, maybe I can grab the reservation ID because I'm gonna need it for getting a reservation using an ID. All right, execute, and there's our reservation. I can access it using the ID. I can modify a reservation using an ID, paste it in there, and I'll change it to Jane Doe. Oh, Jane Doe. Execute. Let's see. Reservation updated successfully, Jane Doe. All right. And what's next? I can delete the reservation. Try it out. Execute. And there we go. The reservation has been deleted successfully. All right. That's my two collections. All the endpoints are working as required. Thank you for watching.